Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Zomato Partner. First, understand the benefits of joining Zomato's network, which can significantly boost your restaurant's reach. Next, gather all essential documents like your FSI license and bank details. Finally, access the official Zomato Partner portal to begin your application journey. This initial preparation ensures a smooth process. Having the right documents ready is crucial for a quick application process. You'll need your FSI license and GSTIN for legal compliance, ensuring everything is above board. Make sure your bank account details are accurate for seamless payment processing. Also, prepare your restaurant's complete menu and high-quality photos to showcase your offerings effectively. These items are fundamental for a successful submission. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep incredibly easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your documents are ready, navigate to the online application form. Carefully fill out all restaurant details, including your address and cuisine type, ensuring accuracy. Upload each required document clearly, making sure they are legible. Before hitting submit, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire application. This step helps prevent any delays or rejections. After submitting your application, the Zomato team will begin their verification process. They will meticulously check all the information and documents you provided. You might receive a call for further clarification or to schedule a visit. Once everything is verified and approved, you will complete the final onboarding steps to get your restaurant listed and go live on the Zomato platform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.